Kwa ndagika 2880 nicio TRUPHENA Muthoni wa miaka 21 arahimbiirie MUTI na kumuteithĩrĩria gũbunja rekondi na kũiga rekondi njerũ ya thĩ ya mathaa 48 ĩrĩa nĩ maita merĩ ya ĩrĩa ĩrarĩ ho ya mathaa 24. Na thinacara na ndagika 10 nĩguo Muthoni akinyanĩirie kĩroto gĩake thutha wake kwambĩrĩria thabarĩ ĩno mũthenya wa Juma thinacara na ndagika 10 cia hwaĩ-inĩ.
So much excited right now because it's something I had set my mind to do, but I really didn't have a framework for it, and I didn't know actually do it, but I had faith in it.
Na ndaria na kairitu kau kwanja riria karagwetire oro wa mental illness gitao he uria kau kuite no ritu no ria na mata society turekagiriria andu aria mentally ill tondu nie ona gwetwa na njikaraga na tu aciari mahana uguo horocio ni urahutirie muno.
Na thutha wake kurekia muti yo TRUPHENA auma na maundu maya ma kuuga.
I wanted to do influence because that's how serious mental health crisis is. So I knew pursuing the Guinness Book of World Record attempts and for long hours would draw attention to my message, that is the importance of nature on mental health.
Na thutha wake kurekereria muti Muthoni ni athurimirwo ni maabitha a ugima wa mwiri.
The things we have assessed is the blood pressure. With the blood pressure it was 136/77, which is very normal for our age. And we also did check the blood sugar. With the blood sugar it was around 4.2.
Na thutha ucio atugwo ni kambuni ya Media Max kugerera ceceni ya Kameme TV na K24.
Let's see what will happen after this.
Kuria magegania maya maramemerekagio imwe kwa mathaa 48.
That is for TRUPHENA Muthoni setting a new world record of 48 hours.
Family arata na maabitha a thirikari matongoretio ni murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata mititu Alex Lemakoko ni manyitanire nake kuri akungũire Muthoni ni wirutiri wake.
I'm sitting here next to a champion, a champion who has done unprecedented activity, something that is basically unusual in our normal terms. We have had a lot of environmentalists planting trees, talking about poor management of our forests, but we have not had a courageous person as TRUPHENA who has hugged a tree for the last 48 hours.
Turakena ni undu wa step icio atekete to ni aronereria ciana ici nini njira njega na kumonereria ungioda undu na ngoro yaku yothe no nginya kuhota kuhingia riu thutha wake na Ngai amuhingurire mira.
Ndumiriri ya Muthoni igie bata wa kuramata maria maturigicĩirie niguo kugacĩrithia wagĩrĩru wa meciria riu ni hunjite thĩ yothe akiuga riu ni hindi njata yake ya cangarara.
Everything starts in the mind. So I was able to enjoy all that because I had set my mind towards this challenge and I was sure nothing was going to stop me. So I knew because of the unpredictable weather patterns that we've been experiencing in the world that anything could happen. There could be scorching sun and also floods.
Na kuri urugamiriri wa kambuni ya Media Max kugerera murugamiriri munene Ken Garuya muciari wa TRUPHENA Muthoni ndanahitha gikeno giake ni uria aranyitirwo mbaru.
Igwa ndina ngatho nyingi muno na ngenete muno na muno ngauga Ngai ateithie Kameme ona K24 to ndironire makirara makahuthira mathaa mao maingi makirora mwana uyu wakwa.
Riu rekondi ino itigiritwo gwikirwo mukonde ni ruhonge rwa Guinness World Record. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma muthitu wa Micuki njeta Gitau wa Wanjiko.